Ms. Fuchs, Mr. Greg, and the high school band. Give them another round of applause. Thanks, guys.
Damn, I ain't gonna be able to play.
Okay, we want to, again, thank everyone for attending today as we recognize all our school athletes here today and their accomplishments. First, I'm going to introduce, because these guys got a road trip to Madison, Coach Hauerwas and a wrestling team.
Thank you. First of all, we are on our way to Madison, but we'd like to wish our girls basketball team the greatest of luck tonight and tomorrow. We'd also like to thank Mr. Sagler, Mr. Lampe for all their support, and all of you who made your way to our wrestling meets throughout the course of the season. Thank you. You guys are great. First, I'd like to introduce the 5 guys who wrestled in last week's individual state tournament. First of all, he's only the 2nd freshman in the history of our school to wrestle in the state tournament, 160, Kyle Way. Sophomore, he's got a great last name, Jordan Hauerwas. Junior, Josh Howard, finished in the top 8 in the state at 119. We got senior Matt Ludke, 125. And the state runner-up in the state of Wisconsin at 189 pounds, 45 wins, 1 loss, Malcolm Briggs. The rest of the guys who are going to be coming with us this evening, freshman Matt Blower, junior Kyle Lara, sophomore Jake Hintz, freshman Jeremiah Butler, senior Adam Maurer, senior Jeff Knoisel, freshman Ray Hernandez, freshman Nick Nomensen, sophomore Matt Morales, senior Kyle Gorecki, sophomore Ethan Perez, freshman Frank Porpora, sophomore Mitch Pordone, freshman Mitch Dolan, senior Patrick Breyer, sophomore Matt Zubin, senior Charlie Castona, and freshman Tyrone McKee. Thank you all. Have a great weekend.
Guys, good luck at state tonight. They take on Port Washington. Again, this is your sectional team state champions. Now I'd like to introduce Coach Tellefson, and he's introducing the girls' conference tennis team.
First off, I want to wish the girls basketball team good luck tomorrow and tonight especially, but tomorrow's a big game. And the boys wrestling team that's leaving, I wish them the best of luck too. This past season, this past fall, we took our 3rd conference divisional title in 4 years. I want to introduce you to the ladies that were a big part of this team. Jessica Golis is absent today, but Jessica Larson, Ankita Pradhan, Catherine Stanula, Emily Kastner, Caitlin Livingston, Amanda Hoffmeyer, Stacy Klaus, Caitlin Rome, Sarah Schumacher, and Coach Pickett and Coach Morrison for their big hand this past season. Good luck, everybody.
Thanks, Coach, and again, congratulations, girls tennis team. Now I'd like to introduce Coach Kajawa as he introduces the girls' conference basketball champions.
First of all, on behalf of all the coaches and players for girls basketball, we want to wish the wrestling team and Coach Hauerwas much success in their quest and bring back a state title. A couple of quick thank yous, Ms. Fuchs and Mr. Gregg, for the great job that our pep band did at all our home games. To our faculty, who has been great in supporting us all year in this championship. And a special thank you, I can't read their names, to a few students that came to every home and every away game. Thank you. This year's varsity basketball team was picked for 6th by the experts before the season, and we finished up 15-1 in the undisputed Southeast Conference champions. But tonight we have a real challenge. We're a decided underdog against the Classic 8 and state-ranked Milwaukee Pius. But for those that attend that game, while we can't predict a win or a loss, what we can't predict, we're going to work our tails off for you tonight at 8 o'clock at Whitefish Bay. Let me introduce the 2007 undisputed conference champions. First of all, Miss Jean Casper, the best assistant any coach could ever ask for. The best freshman guard in the state of Wisconsin, Angela Rodriguez. Sophomores, Kelsey Kochanowski, Kristen Gilmeister, and an all-state candidate, Stephanie Running. Juniors, Marguerite Wellstein, Mandy Wilkie, Allison Gonzalez, and pound per pound, the heart and soul of Oak Creek basketball, Brittany Zietlow. And now 3 senior co-captains who have endured and worked so hard during the past 4 years, and whose varsity record just the past 2 seasons is 36-8. Lauren Shad, the next 2 seniors are starters tonight, and combined, what a duo, the best defensive players in our league, Rihanna Pereira and Stacy Trzynski. Thank you.
Thanks, Coach, and good luck, girls, tonight. Now I'd like to introduce Coach Piper as she introduces the state champion cheer squad.
Okay, first I'd like to announce the JV cheerleading squad who took first place at the state JV cheerleading competition this year. The JV state champions are Keisha Amissa, Jennifer Edick, Sarah Esselman, Christina Ferry, Brianna Glish, Monica Jors, Stevie Manthe, Alicia McKenzie, Nicole Muchka, Sarah Robinette, Amanda Sargent, Elizabeth Stecker, and Katrina Stezel. Thank you. Congratulations. And now I'm pleased to introduce for the 3rd year in a row, the varsity cheerleaders are the WIAA Division I State Cheerleading Champions. The girls beat all 32 teams that were invited to the state competition, so they are also the undisputed state champions. The 2007 varsity state champions are Samantha Ackerman, Kaylin Archambault, Megan Ashbaugh, Michelle Farr, Captain Kristen Fleischman, Captain Leah Jankowski, Raven Jones, Amanda Latherow, Caitlin Love Robinson, Michelle Mason, Missy Meyer, Jessica Muchka, Megan Palama, Ashley Pfister, Cassandra Plaster, Brooke Redlick, Heather O'Shea, Ashley Treffert, Brittany Walensky, and Courtney Williamson. Three-peat state champions.
Congratulations again, ladies, on your state championship. I'm sorry I got to spot you out. Chelsea Ballas. Chelsea, you need to report to the office. Now I'd like to introduce Coach Schmidt and Pom Pom Squad.
This year we have 32 girls on the Pom Pom Squad, which is the largest squad that Oak Creek High School has ever had. We have just recently completed the best competition season that this squad has ever had. They recently took first place in the Milwaukee Bucks competition, which qualified them to perform at a Bucks game. And just this last Monday, they returned from Orlando, Florida, where they participated in the Badgerette All-Star Talent Tour, where they did performances at the Magic Kingdom and Epcot.
Starting with our freshmen, Shelly Sobiak, Amber Poplinski, Marissa Maximovich, Christine Tate, Emily Hansen, Megan Daly, Carly Kroll, Melissa Zabkowitz, Alyssa Constable, Chelsea Sherbine, sophomores, Becca Anashevsky, Lori Ventila, Kayla Williamson, Megan Clark, Sam Magyar, Kayla Mojica, Ange Aiken, Katie Edwards, our juniors, Jessica Slaby, Jenna Feely, Becky Robertson, Courtney Bilat, Kaylee Moore, Courtney Lopez, Stephanie King, Courtney Pensamali, Katie Mostowick, and Nicole Perro. Our seniors, Melissa Hansen and Christy San Augustine, captains Ashley Peterson and Lindsay Bania.
Nice job, ladies, and congratulations again on your successful season. This time I'm going to introduce our assistant boys basketball coach, Coach Bastian, who's going to introduce the boys basketball team.
Thank you. Once again, we'd like to wish the girls good luck at sectionals. Go get them. Wrestlers, good luck at state. Go get that gold trophy. For the guys, starting with the juniors, we ended up finishing third place in our division, and it was one of the hardest working groups that I've ever coached in the 5 years I've been coaching. So you have to give these guys a lot of credit. Nick Stillwell, come on out. Nice job, Nick. Matt Barnett. Matt Barrick. Where's Corey Schmidt? Corey here? Corey, hello. All right, for our seniors, Jason Ritz, Jared Anderson, Michael Hawthorne, Eric Kitsky, and our two captains, George Simons and Alex Cabasa. And Danny, I didn't forget Danny. Come on out, Danny. Sorry, Danny. Thanks for all your support this year. We appreciate it.
Thanks, Coach. And now I'm introducing Mr. Lampy, who's going to introduce the state individual qualifiers this year.
Okay, here's what I want everybody to do right now. I want everybody to stand up. Come on, everybody get up. Let's go. Now, for you younger people here, you seniors might remember this. We haven't had one of these in this building in a lot of years. This is a tradition that we are starting today, and it's going to continue from now until whenever. Okay, here's what I need. Seniors, I want to hear something from you right now. Whatever, ready? On three. 1, 2, 3. I don't know, pretty sad. Sophomores, ready? 1, 2, 3. Freshmen, are you ready, freshmen? 1, 2, 3. All right, juniors, on a count of 3, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. At this time, I'd like to introduce 4 young ladies that qualified for various state tournaments this fall.
Okay, let's hear it again. You guys are sad. At the end of this, we're going to put your name on the sword. I want to hear a cheer from the seniors. Remember the East cheer? V-I-C-T-O-R-Y. That's the senior battle cry. Let's hear it. 1, 2, 3. You guys gonna get this one? Remember that cheer? V-I-C-T-O-R-Y. That's the freshman battle cry. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Basketball? V-I-C-T? 1.
Ready? V-I-C-T-O-R-Y.
That's our girls basketball. Right. 1, 2, 3. Sophomores, let it rock. Ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Must I? One, two, three. All right, at the end, we'll see about judging this one.
Okay. These 4 young ladies I'm about to introduce qualified this fall for WIA State Tournament. First, in girls cross country, freshman Angela Rodriguez. In girls tennis, doubles team, Caitlin Livingston and Emily Kastner. And in diving, senior Jenna Lampe. Again, it takes a lot of teamwork, a lot of individual talent that we have in this building to make it to that ultimate level, which is the state championships. Congratulations, ladies.
And happy to introduce the Pom Pom team. They're going to perform right now. Awesome job, Poms. Now introducing the girls cheerleading squad.
Over the report to the dance floor.
Salt and pepper's here and we're in effect. 1, 2, 2, push it back. Cooling my day, man at night, working up a sweat. Come on, girl, let's go show the guys that we know how to become #1 in the hot body show. Now push it.
Awesome job, cheer. Now I'd like Miss Cass to come down and introduce her theatrical students in a musical honk.
Sorry?
Why don't you line up? Line up. Line up. Line up. Line up. There are 65 students involved in the production this season. There are 9 band members, thanks to Mr. Gregg, my assistant, Mr. Lauer, who's been working with the crew, and of course, the students involved in the show. I think they have one message for you after I get done inviting you to this weekend's production. We have a show tonight at 7:30. I know that we're rooting on for the girls basketball team. Please give them a tough time, and I wish you much luck. We also have a show Saturday at 2 o'clock and Saturday night at 7:30, and we close at 2 o'clock Sunday. It's been an interesting time, the show. I've had a great 28 years at Oak Creek High School, and this is my last show that I'll be doing here. And I know that my students have just one word for you.
Congratulations, guys. Awesome job, and have a great final weekend. Coach Kajawa. Mrs. Petrie, Miss Winters, Mr. Morse, come on out. I need some help. I need some help. Miss Winters, Miss Petrie, Mr. Olinsky, don't hide. You coming out? Mr. Wolf and Miss Hensiak. Okay, we kind of know that the sophomores are going to win this one, but we're going to do it anyway. We're going to put the sophomores' name, if they win, on the sword, and we'll put it in a display case. Again, we're going to see how loud you are judging. You are judging. You're not going to perform. Mr. Lampy is going to get the sword once again. We're going to start off with the weakest class. Stand up, seniors. This is your last time to redeem yourself. This is it. See how loud they are, guys. Are you ready, judges? Seniors, 1, 2. That's a heck of a lot better than last time. Freshman. 1, 2.
3.
Hey, what is this? I guess we gotta wait. I guess typical, we gotta wait for the juniors to get their act together. They don't know where they sit. Sophomores. Is this sophomores? Sophomores, 1, 2, 3. Juniors, get back in the bleachers. You don't even know where to go. Okay. Stay right there. Juniors, 1, 2, 3.
Right now, they're the winners, though.
Okay, right now, we're gonna do, for the loudness we have right now, it's undisputably the sophomores. However, relax. We're gonna start again with that uniform cheer that half of you know. We're going with the freshmen. It's that VICTORY. That's the freshman battle cry. Can you remember that? Stand up. They want a uniform cheer. Judges. Sophomores, you haven't won yet. Freshmen, 1, 2, 3. Sophomores! It's VICTORY. That's the sophomore battle cry. Let's hear 1, 2, 3. Awesome! Senior! Seniors, this is your last pep rally. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the lost ones, the juniors that don't know where to sit. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's a tie between juniors and sophomores. Which one first? We're going juniors. You guys stay up there. Same cheer, VICTORY. This is your last one at it. It's a tie. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. Okay, we got it. We're gonna put the class on this one. We're gonna put it in the display case. We're gonna see about next pep rally who gets it. It's obviously by one of my hairs, sophomores. Okay, one last time before the video. Everybody, teachers, wait, we gotta do the staff. One, the staff, teachers only. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Everybody stand up. Let's go, work. As a school, 1, 2, 3. I think sophomores still have it. Okay, walk, guys, walk. Don't get hurt if you want to see the video, walk. Okay, guys, we're going to have a short video. Stay seated or you can come down to the gym floor. Just don't rush. Okay, Mr. Stock, we're ready.
in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know, but no, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise. making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him because he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, and the picture connects. Never asking for someone's help, but to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote. His will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds. The skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% fear. Be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him record with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Ryu had the stupidest verse. This dude is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard him with that stock.
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name.
They call him Ryu sick and he's spitting fire and Mike got him out the dryer. He's hot, found him in Fort Minor with top, but a nihilist porcupine. He's the type women wanna be with, and rappers hope he gets 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with your notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, it is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of that comes out of this kid's throat. He's not your everyday on the block. He knows how to work with what he's got, making his way to the top. He don't think it's a comment on his name. People keep asking him, was it given that birth that doesn't stand for an acronym? No, he's living proof. Let him rock in the booth. He'll get you buzzing quicker than a shot of vodka with juice. Him and his crew are known around as one of the best, dedicated to what they do and give 100%.
Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time because he writes every note, he writes every line, and I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like a design is written in his head every time before he even touches a key or speaks in a rhyme. And those other fellas he runs with, the kids that he signed, ridiculous, without even trying. How did they do it? This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name.
Malcolm Briggs, and the 2000.
Justin. Okay, guys, just walk out slowly, watch the courts. Have a great weekend.
Oh, Michael.